Point of view, New York City shoot in the snow. I've been waiting for this moment. Been waiting. All right, babe, you ready? Perfect shot. Yeah. Go back. Perfect. Yeah, am I good? Yep. Alrighty, perfect. I'm gonna get more like that, but maybe that way. I'm gonna get more, but probably like that way. The bike way. I'm gonna get more, but probably that way. Like you walking that way. No, I want to get a bike. I want to get a bike going that way. Or this yellow cab. This yellow cab right here. Perfect. Oh shit, people walking. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh, you want to walk across the street one more? Oh no, fuck. No, I need to get that yellow cab over there.
Okay, I'm gonna take her photo then.
Yeah. We're shooting with the 30mm today on the Sony A7. This is a Sigma lens. Pretty sick. I'm gonna try to get a cool shot over there. Yeah, we're looking pretty good. Let me try to got a cool shot of that perspective. We got some yellow cabs going. Let me try to get somebody walking across the street. Maybe over here somewhere. I need to get somebody walking across the street. Around over there. That was a good shot. Need somebody across the street over here. Around this area. Now some people are gonna start walking that way. Happy we came out. It's gonna be a cool shot right here. Wanted to get a lower perspective of that. Car just reversed all the way back. Let's see. Perfect umbrella shot. Very nice. I'm gonna try to follow him real quick. I need to try to get him crossing the street. Perfect shot. Perfect shot. Great shot. Make sure this is still going. We're looking good. Perfect. Yep. So we got some cool shots. See what else we could capture around here. Probably gonna be a little repetitive, but it's okay. It's a great location for the snow. We're covered right now, but it's a great location. Can never go wrong with Times Square in the snow. Never go wrong. Babe, I need you to stage one like crossing that way. Like near the smoke with the parking and stuff. Wait, but I think these cars are coming right now. Watch out. It's gonna be pretty cool shot right here. Yeah, where the smoke is at, in the front of the smoke. Yeah, in front of the smoke, yeah. I walk back. One more time, yeah. Okay. I think that was good. Shit. Cool bike. I need the bikes. Cool bike shot. My focus channel was on. Make sure you guys can still see. Oh, you guys are good. Let's see what else we got. That was a cool shot. Pretty cool. I need a bike. It's my main objective right now, finding a bike. But let's record a video for Instagram. Let's record a video. Cool. Record a reel. Record another one. Alright, we got this cool yellow cab. Oh, bike. Bike is on this way. Oh, hey.
She said that she leaves tomorrow. She needs to
I live
Okay,
tomorrow.
yeah.
I was being here taking photos.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if you see me.
Oh, no, I just got to Times Square now.